How to hide a specific story from someone on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily hide a specific story from someone on Instagram. So first, just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. And as you can see, currently I have already uploaded a story. So let's say I want to hide this story from someone. So I'll simply click on this more button at the bottom right corner and just head over to go to story settings. And once you select it, you can see there's the option called hide story from. So just tap on this zero people, which will take you to this page where you will see all of your friends. And you can simply, let's say I don't want this person to view my story, and simply click on this check button over here right next to that particular person's profile and simply click on done. And once you do that, you can also actually restrict that person from being able to see all of your story or even your post. So once you do all of that, your story will be hidden from that person just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.